how to navigate the great cleansing of 2026 and secure your financial sovereignty. The world of high finance is currently undergoing what we at the Master French Business Academy call the Great Cleansing. While the general public sees only chaos and falling indices, the true elite understand that we are witnessing a necessary filtration of value. The era of ephemeral visions and unbacked promises is coming to an abrupt end. For the rising stars and senior executives of our academy, this is not a moment of fear, but a masterclass in the sociology of power. The facade of the artificial intelligence miracle has finally cracked. We have transitioned from the stage of speculative euphoria to the brutal reality of the return on investment. In the past weeks, we have seen billions in market value vanish in what the press is calling software Mageddon. Major institutions are no longer interested in your vision of the future. They are demanding the hardcore foundations of profitability. This is the first layer of the cleansing, the elimination of the weak players who relied on the mysticism of tech rather than the iron laws of economics. But the tremors go much deeper than a simple market correction. The very pillars of the global financial architecture are being challenged. The recent subpoenas issued to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell by the Department of Justice have sent a clear signal to the world's architects of wealth. The institutional independence of the Fed, once considered a sacred dogma of the West, is now under direct political pressure. For the expatriate executive in Dubai, the wealth manager in Geneva, or the family office in London, this represents a fundamental shift in risk assessment. When the guardian of the world's reserve currency is brought into the theater of political intimidation, the dollar itself loses its aura of neutrality. Simultaneously, we are observing a historic pivot from the East. The decision by Chinese authorities to instruct their major banks to reduce their holdings of US treasuries is a strategic maneuver of Machiavellian elegance. It is a quiet but firm de-dollarization that is redrawing the map of global influence. We are moving away from a unipolar financial world toward a fragmented landscape where power is localized and sovereignty must be actively defended. For the members of this academy, the question is not whether the market will crash, but who will hold the levers of power when the dust settles.